13-year-old booked for burglary, larceny after $180K was found in his ceiling. Passenger dies after being thrown from car in dramatic Kingston crash. 19-year-old cop killed in crash, colleague and 2 other civilians injured. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 13-year-old boy of a Clarendon address was charged with burglary and larceny following an incident in his community on Tuesday, September 12. Reports are that about 6 p.m., the victim realized that a strip around her back door was missing, along with an undetermined amount of money from the house. A report was made to the police, and upon further investigation, the boy's house was searched and the sum of $180,000 in cash was found in the ceiling. The teen was interviewed in the company of his mother, during which he reportedly admitted to the crime. He was subsequently arrested and charged, and he is set to appear in court on Wednesday, October 10. Devon Edwards of Port Royal, Kingston, died as a result of a motor vehicle crash on the Sir Florizel Glasspool Main Road in the parish on Tuesday, September 12. Reports from the Arborview Police are that about 11 p.m., Edwards was a passenger in a Mazda Demio motorcar that was heading towards St. Thomas. The driver of the vehicle reportedly lost control of the unit while navigating wet road conditions, and the car overturned. In the process, Edwards was thrown from the vehicle and sustained several major injuries. Edwards, another passenger, and the driver of the motorcar were taken to hospital, where Edwards died while undergoing treatment. The other persons were admitted for treatment. A police investigation continues into the incident. A 19-year-old police constable died from injuries sustained in a motor vehicle collision on Egg Main Road in Trelawney. The deceased has been identified as 19-year-old Constable Christopher Ricketts, who was assigned to the St. James Division. Reports from the Falmouth Police are that about 11:50 p.m. on Wednesday, Ricketts was driving a Mazda Demio motorcar with a colleague on board when he collided with a Toyota Fielder. The police were summoned, and Ricketts, his colleague, and 2 occupants of the Toyota Fielder were taken to hospital. Ricketts was pronounced dead, and his colleague was admitted in serious but stable condition. The occupants of the Toyota Fielder were treated and released.